Hey guys, welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to associate Google account with a device, either on laptop or PC or mobile or tablet, and how to properly manage those connections for better security. But before we start, hurry up and check out the valuable software just under this video. Let's get started on managing your connected Google devices. So, how do we exactly associate our Google account here with a device in our laptop or PC? First things first is we need to discuss how Google accounts are actually associated into our devices. The simple truth with devices here is that in order for you to add them into your Google account, you need to sign into them personally. You must have actual physical access to that specific device in order for you to successfully add it to your Google account security settings. Step 1. Initiating the device association. So, how do we exactly add that device? Well, typically speaking, in order for you to add those devices into your Google account, you just need to go ahead and open up any web browser. So either Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you have there. Just navigate to google.com and click on the Sign In button at the top right here. Now, provide your email address, your password, and complete any required two-factor authentication or verification steps. Once you've successfully signed into your Google account, you have now automatically and successfully just added your device here into your Google accounts records. It might not be immediately obvious, but Google actually records the identity of every device that you've logged in from. Step 2. Verifying and managing associated devices. So, how do we actually verify that the device has been associated, and how do we manage these connections? You can actually go directly to the following official website here, which is going to be myaccount.google.com. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to navigate to the security section. This is your central hub for Google device management. In here, you want to go and scroll down a bit until you see the Your Devices section. Let's go ahead and click on Manage All Devices. Now in here, you should be able to see the active sessions, or for example, your Windows 10 sessions or other operating systems that you have right now for your devices. You can go ahead and click on that specific session here. As you can see, this is the crucial information about the actual device, including the location and time of the last sign-in. You can even access and review all the devices here, like Android devices or other laptops that have been added. In this case, as an example, you can go ahead and click on one of the devices here, and click on the Sign Out option if you want to remove a device from your Google account for security reasons. This is vital if you've lost a device or sold an old computer. But in this case, that's all there is to officially associate a device with Google account. The same thing we can do in mobile and tablet, and it will work just the same way as we did earlier. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more security and tech tips, and watch our next video.